everyone, it's Steffi, and I am coming with a deep condition / review of Carol's Daughter's Monoi Repairing Hair Mask. I got a free sample of this. I really don't remember where I ordered the free sample from, but it came in the mail 2 days ago, and I'm hoping that this little thing, 0.71 ounces, will last in my hair. For my hair feels really soft. I can tell you that much, and it smells so good. This Monoi product smells really good. I don't have any, actually I do have Carol's Daughter set, but I really like this. I may actually buy it like tomorrow with my hair or whatever, but my hair feels really moisturized. It doesn't feel dry. Let me stop messing with my hair. My hair doesn't feel dry or anything. It feels really like conditioned and soft, and all in 5 to 7 minutes. I think maybe it was 10 that I actually have some in my hair for, but like this did a really good job. Like, I really like this. So my first impression of this is that I really like it, and I will be actually buying the real deal. So Carol's Daughter, 2 thumbs up for you, 2 peace signs for you, because I really like this stuff. Look how defined my curls are.